welcome back to another 4-step episode. My name is Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
And today we're gonna learn the Switchblade 2 aerograb. First step. This is very important to be well placed. Your back foot is on the middle of the board and your front foot must be on the screws. Not on the nose, otherwise you'll pop the board. So the 4 screws are more or less supposed to be hidden by your front foot. This position is decisive for the next step. Second step, try to give an impulsion from your upper body, I mean your shoulders, the chest, the hips, to your ankle. At the same time, prepare your back foot to go off the board. Then the movement starts by twisting your front foot. A funny example can be just the feeling you get when you have a chewing gum under your sole, and you try to remove it by twisting your foot on the floor. This is kind of the same move. Third step, put your back foot on the floor. In the same time, twist your front foot. When 180 rotation is done, pull the board back to yourself with the help of your foot. It will give an extra speed for the 360 rotation. Right after pulling back the board towards you and finishing the global rotation, try to remove the foot on the nose. Like that, you'll be ready for the last step. During this part, the less you move your back foot, the easiest it is. For the 4th step, prepare your backhand palm facing the sky. At the same time, kick with your front foot, but try to get enough space between your body and your board. If you don't have space, the board will probably hurt your legs. Then catch your board and do an aerograb. If you don't know how to do the aerograb, you can refer to my first 4-step episode. It was about this movement, and back then my French merde accent was epic. Hey guys, what's up? It's Jeff Corsi and we're here to learn a trick. Which one? The aerograb. A lot of possibility after that. 4th step. At the end, there are 2 ways to finish the aerograb. With one hand if you feel comfortable, and if you don't have enough inertia, you can take help with both hands. So that's all for this lesson. If you have any question, please put some comment below the video. And now for you, it's time to go outside and to practice, because practicing is the key. You must do it and do it and do it again to get it. So see you on the streets to do some switchblade. 3rd step.
It's heavy, man.